Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends unknown player error. So there are a couple of steps that you can perform and they might help you to fix the unknown player error. So first of all, what you can do is right click the icon of the League of Legends and click on show more options and go to the properties. Now this tab will open or this window will appear. Now what you have to do is go to the compatibility tab from here and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and click on OK. Now, check by opening the game if your error is fixed or not. But if your error is still not fixed, now let's move on towards the second step. Now, our next step is flushing our DNS. To flush your DNS from your computer, what you have to do is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in command prompt or CMD. You will see command prompt. Run it as administrator by right-clicking with your mouse and click on run it as administrator. Now your command prompt will open. Now what you have to do is type in ipconfig/flush DNS and hit enter, and it will flush your DNS from your computer. Then afterwards what you have to do is close your command prompt and try opening the game and check if your error is fixed or not. But if your error is still not fixed, now let's move on towards the next step, which is closing any background processes related to League of Legends. So first of all, what you have to do is right click on the bottom bar and click on Task Manager and open Task Manager. Now what you have to do in the processes, you have to scroll down and find any process named as Riot Games. So once you have found the Riot Games, let's suppose this Creative Cloud is Riot Games. So I will click that and I will click on End Task. So you have to end the Riot Games task, and after that close the Task Manager and try opening the game and check if the error is fixed or not. But if the error is still not fixed, then what you have to do is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Control Panel. Now Control Panel will open. You have to click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. From here, select your internet connection. For instance, in my case, it is Ethernet. You can also select your Wi-Fi or your wireless network. Click on it and then click on Properties. Now from here, you have to select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it and click on Properties once again. So in this window, after this window has been appeared, you have to click on Use the following DNS server. Now you have to type in 8.8.8.8. and in the alternative DNS server, you have to type in 8.8.4.4. Now, click on OK and check if the error is fixed or not by opening the game. But if doing all of the following steps which I have just told you, if the game still doesn't work and give you the still same unknown player error, then what you have to do is wait for a bit until the game get a new update, or sometimes these kind of issues appear just due to temporary reasons. So you have to wait for 2 or 3 days and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.